Good morning, guys. Today I'm going to unbox my Samsung Galaxy Watch 3. I just received it this morning. So here you go, Samsung Galaxy Watch 3. And I actually opened it, but it was tightly sealed. Kudos to Samsung, okay? I got it on a discount. Ha! Good price, I could say. So let's open it. So after I took off the seal, let's open it. It's a very simple unboxing. So what do we have? Of course, the watch itself. It's silver. Yep. Oops. It's silver, and it's the size is 45 mm. Okay, I haven't charged it yet. So yeah, let me see. No, haven't charged it. No charge yet. So here it is. And then fairly simple. This box contain, of course, I'm sure the charger is here. Let me see. Okay, Samsung. Another box is here, and then we could see what's inside. What's this? A booklet? Oh no, wrong. Okay, here. Okay, what's inside? What's inside box? Okay, so it has the quick start guide, Samsung quick start guide for the watch. And you also have the warranty card. Okay, thank you. And lastly, I think, yeah, that's it. Here's my charger. Okay. Anyway, that's it, guys. Thank you. Thank you for watching. Subscribe and like. I'll update you on how to use this properly. I still have to charge it, and hopefully it goes well with my Samsung Flip. Okay? Thank you guys for watching. Bye.